Chef Grade 16 PLY Cotton Butcher's Twine. Cooking string is made from heavyweight cotton to withstand all of your meat prep and trussing needs, without cutting into meat like thinner linen twine. 500 Fort 2-pack. In the kitchen. Chef's twine for trussing turkey, forming roasts, soufflé collars, bacon-wrapped fillets, curing and smoking meats, forming sausages as well as drying herbs. Endless uses from kitchen to garage to landscaping. Everywhere else. Heavy-weight cotton twine for bundling newspapers, tying shrubs. Craft uses like tags, bouquet ties, hanging pictures, tying dried flowers, fixing a kite string or decorative accent for books and vases. Food-grade twine. 100% cotton natural food-grade cooking twine is oven-safe, but keep away from flame, intended for single use to avoid cross-contamination. Support small business. Regency Wraps is family-owned and operated in the USA since 1985. Our food service products are used by the finest hotels and restaurants worldwide for meat preparation, rotisserie and trussing poultry. Top reviews from the United States. Big help when BB Ching. These strings are mandatory when you want to make a roast and need to tie it up. These strings are pretty sturdy and last well over the time of the barbecue. The string does roll off easily and it's a very good value for money for these 2 rolls.